Today we'll be writing a Python program that generates random strong password with user-defined complexity. And now we'll start by saying import random. We import some libraries. So we'll say after importing random, we import strings. So these are the two we're working with. So then we will have a function called generate password. Let's call it generate password. Okay, then and now this password will carry some attributes, which are what length, and the length is default, so it will carry 12. Okay, so comma. We also have a use uppercase. Let's call use uppercase. I think this will give us equals to true. All right, and we have use digit. Which will be equals to true. Okay, now you can see that in this code we created a function called generate password that takes several parameters, and we say one of the parameters is length, exact length of the password, but the default we have put here is 12 characters. Okay, so and we also have another parameter called use case. This is a boolean value, returns a boolean value here. You can see indicating whether to include uppercase later. Okay, so we'll set the default to true. So we have use digits here, and use digits is a boolean value indicating whether to include digits. Okay, the default value here is true. Now we also have use special character. There's also special cars. Okay, special cars. Okay, that will be okay. So a boolean value is just a boolean value indicating whether to include special characters. Okay, and let's set the default to true. Okay, now let's see what happens, and we say okay, and we're done with this. Now we'll just put this. Okay, let's say enter. I will create a variable called character. Okay, say equals to, then we enter use the string. Okay, dot ASII dot okay, this is lowercase. Okay, so now we will set some okay, let's take this down to avoid those lines. Now we'll set some conditions. Say if use case, which is one of our parameters we define there. So say if use case, then we say characters plus is equals to say string dot okay, I think in this case choose this one, choose uppercase. Okay, so then we'll go to our next. Okay, we'll say if use digits, which you already find, then we'll say characters is string dot digits. Okay, then we'll take the next. I'll say if use special cars, okay, which we stated here as one of our parameters also. So we say characters is plus to, we say in this case we say string dot punctuation. Okay, these are attribute of strings. Now we'll say that this is correct actually. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we will create a variable called password. Create a variable called password. Okay, so this password, because now it will tell us how. Now this will having a quotation here, which will take our password dot join. We use a dot join function. Okay, in this case now, the dot join will, the function will give us, will have a random, because we are generating a password, so we need a random choice. So we need a random choice in this case, random choice. Okay, we need a random choice function, and we'll say that character, this character which we define here, just call it characters. Okay, and save for, so save for let's say underscore in, let's say for whatever, so for underscore in range, then we say length. Okay, so now this is what we have. Now we have to return the password. Okay, so have to return password. Now let's check out some examples. Okay, let's check out some examples. Now we have let's see examples okay, examples usage. I think let's get this. So now we have, I will say password length. Okay, I want to take the length of the password, so that's what we're giving. Say int, because it's going to be an integer, so we'll say input, because this input function takes input, okay, from user. So in this case, the user will have to set the length of the password. So we have already defined here that the length of the password should be 12. So in this case, already at default, so we'll just say, we'll just write enter the length. Okay, when the user sees enter the length, okay, enter the length of the password, I think so. Okay, that should be enter the length of the password. Then the user has to enter the length in the specified in a given space. Okay, so it's identified. So we'll say the next one. I think we should copy this. Okay, copy. Then we say, let's say include. Let's create a variable called include uppercase, because we'll ask the user whether it's going to include uppercase in taking the input of. Okay, I think I've pasted it there. So let me change this to let me change this to include. We'll ask the question, include uppercase. Okay, uppercase later. So whether the user is going to include uppercase later, because we are building a program that will generate random strong password with the user defined complexity. So this complexity of our program of building this password generator is to actually suiting what the user wants. Okay, so now we say include uppercase letters. So this uppercase letter is either you are saying yes or you are saying no. Okay, so it depends on the user. So whatever the user says, that is what we go for the user. So say lower. So let's say lower dot lower. Then say equals to yes. Yes. Okay. So okay, this is a string. It's supposed to be a string. So say yes. All right. So we go to the next one, which is specified as include include digits. Okay, and that's our the parameters. These are the parameters we define initially. So we just have to create variables to take them in. Okay, so now we say let's take this out. So we say this should be should ask a question also. Include 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 digits. Okay, we'll ask a question to that question mark. Okay, whether we're going to include digits, so we'll just put a predefined um, question here, which is yes or no, for the user to know that the answer is between yes or no. Okay, so we just put that on here. So now say this will take lower case also. So C is equals to okay is equals to yes. So now we will do the last one, which is include I think is include special cars. Okay, or let's say special cars. All right. So now we say is equals to I think let's just write it input. So let's just take the input, we like to include special characters. Okay, so we say write include, we'll ask the question to the user, um include special characters. We're asking the user. Okay, so asking the user will put the question mark. All right, then mind you the answer is between yes or no, so we just have to indicate it here to let the user know that they doesn't have to answer anything beyond the yes or no. Okay, so that's why we're leaving it there. So we say dot lower we say equals to yes. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we will create a variable. Okay, that will take our function, which is generate password. Okay, so we say generate password. Sorry, this will be let's just call it so the generate password function. Okay, which we created there. Now we have to put in all of what we define. Okay, so we say the length of each equals to password. Okay, password length. Okay, should be equals to this password length. That is to take the input that the user has defined, they have stated there. So say comma. So we say use uppercase already here. So we say they use uppercase. What we're using to take the input now is include uppercase. So we'll just specify it here. Include uppercase. Okay. So let me see if I can break this. Okay, I think I can break it so that you know. Let's see. So we'll say use the next one. We'll say I think there should be a comma here. Okay, use digit. This should be use digits because that's the next one we're doing. So say we specify use digit to be include digit that will take the input. So include digits. So we'll say comma. The next one is use special. Okay, so already here for us use special class. So we say what we use to define to take the input is include special class. Okay, so now having done this, so what we'll do, we'll have to print we'll have to print we'll have to print we'll have to print our result, so that then in printing, let's just specify, just just have something like created password, so that whoever is entering all this will know that this is the output. So it's a created password. So we have to call this generated password we define here. So you say generated password. Then this will be out. Okay. So it's what is carrying. It's already carrying this function we define here. Okay. And you can see length is 12. So the password takes the input. So we have use uppercase. So whether it's true or false, so we have a variable that takes the input here. So we just have to um, run this. Okay, so let's see. Let's be mindful if we, I'm sure we don't have any error before we're going to run it. So we have random. This should be random dot choice. Okay, I think that's our area. So okay, so watch very closely. So that has been settled. Okay, so we have to run it. So we're running it. So here it says enter length of password. Remember our default is 12. So this one say include uppercase letters. So we say yes, we want uppercase letters. If you say you don't want uppercase letters, you say no. So it depends on the user desire. Okay, so we say include digit, yes or no. I want digit to be included, so I'll say yes. So include special characters. Okay, so I want special characters to be included. So now you see my password has been generated. All right, so please this is actually the program that generates password based on the desired complexity of the user. Now now feel free to customize the default value or add more options if you want more control over the password generation process. However, always remember that strong passwords should be long and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, and special characters. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, see you, and you can watch other of my YouTube videos on acronym generator, on simple quiz, so you can get more of it on my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and like, so that I can be able to bring more videos to you. Thank you very much. Take care. See you.